Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we will be discussing a recruitment notification that has been published by NTPC Limited. NTPC is going to recruit engineering executive trainee in various engineering disciplines. Please watch the whole video to get detailed information regarding this recruitment notification. And friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications, be it central government recruitment notification, various other state government recruitment notifications, as well as all the other public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notifications. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update. So friends, if you look at this recruitment notification, NTPC is going to recruit around 100 number of engineering executive. And if you look at the various engineering disciplines, basically the engineering disciplines are electrical, mechanical and electronics. In electrical discipline, number of vacancies 30, and category wise vacancies are unreserved 18, OBC 7, SC 4, ST 1. And for mechanical engineering, total number of vacancies 45, 25 for unreserved, 11 for OBC, 6 for SC and 3 for ST. In electronics or instrumentation engineering, total number of vacancies 25, unreserved 13, OBC 6, SC 4 and ST 2. If you look at the educational qualification, friends, full-time bachelor degree in engineering or technology, and most important point is, that's what I like to mention, that is AMI with 65% of marks, students are also eligible. So for this recruitment notification, AMI degree holders are also eligible. And first, I'd like to inform you that candidates must have appeared for GATE aptitude test in engineering 2020. That means you should have a valid GATE 2020 score. And for detailed information, you can see the official advertisement. You can get the official advertisement from our Telegram channel, and if you would like to download it, you can download the link that is available in the description box of this video itself. By following that link also, you can download the same. And if you look at the age limitation, friends, for SC, ST and physically challenged category of candidates, qualifying marks is 55% in academics, and age limitation is maximum 27 years as on 6 July 2020. And friends, if you belong to the category SC, ST, then you will get relaxation of 5 years. For OBC category of candidates, relaxation of 3 years, and for physically challenged category of candidates, relaxation of 10 years will be permissible as per government norms. And friends, about the other information that I'd like to give you, candidate selection, everything else is available in the website of NTPC. And if you would like to download the notification, you can get each and every information from the notification as well, official advertisement as well. So friends, this is the website by following which you can apply, and online application procedure has already been started from 16 June 2020 and it will continue till 6 July 2020. So more or less 15 days are available. So friends, online application has already been started, as I have told, and closing date is 6 July 2020, and this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding this recruitment. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any question, if you have any query, please comment in below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day ahead.